You've been told your whole life that cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis. People wince when you do it. Maybe you even stopped. But here's the truth, it's a total myth. The sound comes from gas bubbles popping in your joint fluid, not bones grinding. A doctor named Donald Unjur actually cracked the knuckles on one hand for 50 years and never got arthritis. He won a Nobel Prize for that stunt. So crack away or don't, your joints are fine. Comment below, do you crack your knuckles or does it make you cringe?